forced to adopt her own babies. Now, she's changing the law for all families. On a rainy morning in Michigan, a powerful milestone was celebrated. A milestone that would forever reshape how families are formed in the state. Senator Winnie Brinks called Tammy Myers, a mom of 3 whose arduous journey through surrogacy left lasting scars, to mark the implementation of the Michigan Family Protection Act. Signed by Governor Gretchen Whitmer in 2024 and went into effect this week, the act not only legalizes and regulates surrogacy but also introduces paid surrogacy contracts, heralding sweeping changes in parentage laws across the state. Tammy Myers' story is a testament to resilience and hope. After breast cancer treatment left her unable to conceive naturally, Tammy and her husband, Jordan, embarked on the emotionally charged path of surrogacy. In 2021, they welcomed twins Eames and Ellison through an altruistic surrogacy arrangement with Lauren Vermilye, a process that soon turned into a legal battle. Due to Michigan's outdated laws, the couple faced nearly 2 years of uncertainty and court proceedings just to secure their parental rights. "It means the world to know that no family will have to go through what we did," Tammy recalls, her voice thick with emotion. The struggles didn't just test her resolve, they reshaped her life's purpose. Tammy, along with her daughter Corin, who has been part of the journey since infancy, continues to advocate for meaningful legislative change, including raising funds and awareness for fertility treatments for cancer survivors. For Tammy, the legislation represents not just legal reform but a legacy that her children can someday cherish. "I think that's my greatest hope," she shares, reflecting on the bittersweet journey that, despite its hardships, paved the way for a brighter future for Michigan families. The Michigan Family Protection Act marks a paradigm shift in assisted reproduction. In addition to offering clear pathways to obtain parental recognition for children born via surrogacy or other non-traditional methods, the law codifies protections that ensure that intended parents can avoid the stress and legal uncertainty that once marred their journey. Melissa Neckers, the Myers attorney and a prominent advocate for assisted reproduction rights, explains, "Had this law been in place when the twins were born, the process would have been seamless, allowing families to embrace the joy of new life without the looming threat of legal battles." Crucially, the new legislation paves the way for paid surrogacy contracts, long a contentious issue in Michigan. For decades, the state prohibited compensated surrogacy, leaving many prospective parents with few options and forcing them into arduous legal limbo. With the new act, prospective parents gain access to comprehensive legal protections and a streamlined process that benefits not only them but also the surrogates involved. The law mandates that surrogates must meet stringent criteria, including prior childbirth and passing physical and mental health evaluations, ensuring their readiness for the role. For intended parents, the Michigan Family Protection Act offers a sense of security and hope that was previously unattainable. The act provides clear and streamlined pathways to establish parental rights, eliminating the need for lengthy and costly court battles. This means that intended parents can focus on bonding with their newborn child without the looming threat of legal challenges. The law also addresses the issue of parentage in cases involving assisted reproductive technologies, such as IVF and egg donation. It clarifies the legal status of children born through these methods, ensuring that intended parents are recognized as the legal parents from the moment of birth. This is a crucial step in protecting the rights and well-being of children born through assisted reproduction. While the reforms have been met with widespread celebration among families and advocacy groups, they have not been without controversy. Critics, including representatives from Right to Life of Michigan, warn that the legalization of paid surrogacy could lead to the exploitation of financially vulnerable women. Genevieve Maron, the group's legislative director, voiced concerns that surrogacy could become overly commercialized, especially if strict regulations aren't enforced. Yet, advocates remain optimistic, emphasizing that robust legal frameworks and mandatory protections will guard against abuse while opening up essential avenues for family building. Michigan's comprehensive overhaul is seen as a national benchmark. Unlike many states with fragmented or outdated surrogacy laws, Michigan's new framework offers a clear, forward-thinking model that other states may soon follow. Representative Stephanie Steckloff, a key sponsor of the legislation and a vocal proponent of modernizing family law, proudly noted, "We're now the leaders in the country when it comes to creating an inclusive, robust legal framework for all families." In tandem with informational campaigns by groups like the Jewish Fertility Foundation and the Michigan Fertility Alliance, the new laws are already making a tangible difference. The Michigan Family Protection Act is not just about legal reform, it's about creating a more compassionate and supportive society for all families. By recognizing the diverse ways in which families are formed and providing legal protections for surrogates and intended parents, Michigan is leading the way in ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to experience the joy of parenthood. For Tammy Myers, the implementation of the Michigan Family Protection Act represents the culmination of years of advocacy and a personal triumph over adversity. Her journey, along with the stories of countless other families, has paved the way for a brighter future for all those who seek to build their families through surrogacy. "All of this will be a part of their own legacy," she says. "We used our voices for good, and real change has been made. I really can't put into words how good of a feeling this is." Tammy's story serves as an inspiration to us all, reminding us that even the most challenging experiences can catalyze transformative change.